I'm 32 right now. Oh shit, we're flying. What's up guys, Rob here. I've got the Phantom with me. A lot of folks have been asking about the top speed. Can it really hit 30 miles per hour? As you've seen in a past video with these stock wheels, the 97mm PU wheels, I hit 28 on a test run. Today I've got the 105mm Cloudwheels in pink, which on paper should do well over 30 miles an hour. So today I gotta go get a haircut. I'll be putting that to the test right now. So to monitor the speed, not only do I have the remote, I'm also turning on the cycling app on my watch here, which will give a GPS reading, and we're off. Let's have some fun. Okay, GPS says 20 miles an hour at the moment, and what a beautiful day. This is a big uphill, so let's see what we get. Going 22 up the hill, 24, showing 26 on the watch up this hill, 27 baby. Oh, this thing is quick. Normally this road is super sketch, but with the Cloudwheels, I'm not even stressing here. Oh baby, I'm 32 right now. Oh shit, we're flying. The range with the normal wheels, I did 29 miles the other day. I'm sure you can hit 30, especially the lighter folks out there, or if you don't ride as hard as me. With this, I'm expecting about 20 wheels on the Cloudwheels, but I will be doing some more range tests on that later. Today is a speed test only, because I don't have all day to kill. 22, 28, 30, 31. I'm at 31 miles an hour, baby. Guys. All right, one more time here. 28, 29, 30.5, 0.6. 30.5 up the hill, and maintaining 29 right now, 28 up the hill, 27.6, not too shabby, cannot complain about that at all. I think this is it. This is Steven, best haircut in town, True Grit Barbershop. He got stabbed the other day. You gotta support him. He's a local hero. How's the wound?
Not bad, not bad. Back, baby.
Hell yeah. All right, let's get it. All right, haircut's done. Feeling like a new man. Steven Jones, True Grit Barbershop. Check him out, and let's continue the ride so far. 3.5 miles. And back at it. So I haven't yet tested the speed of the production board with the 97mm stock wheels. I did do a prototype with those at 28 miles an hour. The production board, everything is the same, but possibly a different batch on the controller, so I'm going to test that again in the future. I am just absolutely in love with the Cloudwheels though. So impressed with the handling, and they just eat every single bump. It's amazing. if you do ride on the streets, obviously obey the laws, and most importantly, keep yourself safe. So there's going to be times when maybe you're not the fastest person on the road, when there's cars behind you or something like that, but don't let cars pressure you to make stupid mistakes and do something that is going to put you in harm's way. Above all, keep yourself safe. These things are fast and dangerous. You've got little protection compared to a car, so keep your safety number one. So cruising up the hill at 24 right now, and we've gone about 6.2 miles. Yeah, all right, final crouch speed, let's go. All right, 27, 29, come on. That's 30. Woo. All right, and I'm back in the office now. So even after I probably spent about a quarter or a third of the battery, I was able to hit 30 just now. What a rush. What a rush. What a rush, oh my God. So just to recap, 6.79 miles total, and I'm showing a top speed of 34 on the watch. I didn't see that, so I'm definitely not gonna claim 34, but I was watching it several times, 31.5, 31.6. So for me, 160 pounds, about 5 pounds of gear, 165 total, 31.6 miles an hour. That's with the 105mm Cloudwheels. If you had a 105mm solid wheel, I bet you'd hit 32 plus, because there's a lot less drag on those wheels, and also they don't compress like the Cloudwheels. So while it is 105, it probably compresses down to like 103 when you're riding. That's all the ride stats I got, guys. Please be safe out there when you ride, and if you got any ideas for future videos, questions about the board, let us know in the comments below. Like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. Put my life on the line for you, and we'll see you later.